individual bondholders, your pension for any of the Obuamas and Jamdi, Akoi, Pepediama, or my Ghana, and only a similar Besuja. Jamdi, no, said, and in Tina Ghana, Yabi, you pray, woman said, we are seeing now, in the year 2020, COVID, seeking the 10 years. And which Russia support to share Ukraine so much to war by NC Kasem Aqua, which in Ghana, we are saying how you are, and Ghana.
I was here way as so far by the show, May Sikasan and Tutus or John Kuma near Tinningham.
Yeah, that's original mine is sick as salmon and 2 years, so you didn't yan some come Rasha your fee. Woke up your more. Dom kumano bano deni abedi chire ono wana sanso ye MP demo manfo amuwa ejumaku enyane siamira kesio atuba forcing ono ano de atudwa se wo hwemu pa de ne na aban no bosian ba wobo a won hwe na chine no na ma yesika semene de atete apansamsa no de sansemu ni na tudwa de kan ho se ebe yo no de ogina bebi ogina aban panyifo mo hwe no monye individual any pensioner bondholders ni na free domestic debt exchange program nimu say anokan simplify
directing the minister responsible for finance to exempt individual bondholders and pensioners from the domestic debt exchange. Mr. Speaker, I heard my colleagues say that they have exempted individual bondholders. Mr. Speaker, let him be aware that there is difference between self-exempt and issuer's exemption. Mr. Speaker, the rights are not the same. The rights are not the same, so don't think we don't know about this. Mr. Speaker, we will push for issuer's exemption for our dear engineers.
Warrior ya pe na mame abina osai asaro no na yesuafo abedi chire de ma man no so ya ehwe yesika sem no ntoto yesuo wodi tudwa no ka se ema ye mpentem enka bibia eni se ye kana se yete de nti aga na man yakọ IMF akwaje bosia na enke yebetu ye boase ahwe ye kasamu yi.
If we should pass, will also help us reach an agreement come March. So we are pleading with the House that the income tax bill, the income tax bill, the growth and sustainability bill, as well as the amendments of the excise duty tax. And we are asking that you support us pass these 3 revenue measures as well to complement the debt exchange that we have done to help us reach an agreement with the IMF. Mr. Speaker, with this opening, we believe that we can also go ahead and engage our external borrowers.
Wey mame abina osai asare so for be chire e de ma so ye hwe man sikasam ene ne ntote so
na abusio mo ye ya no mo nuamra so adwani ono so mra so adwafie ma de so mo ya pekusogu abaton peso ya so ye ra John Gina poso so kwakwa ne say sa debt exchange program no a mampedi na nado dan kwakufa ne no wo fa seke no vrata de ba ye no won de obeka ne say chese ene men's good a abranche na apia mensa kofa ba ye no ensusuye bie nim say ya merua ye nkokora abromo mo jenni atempentin kwate ahesuo atechiro my Ghana babedum pemprenso a ye nkwada ya babeto ani ye biato aso no mo se chenchen mo pension kakra no a omodi koto nro anuma wuo no mo se modem nse kwakoto so ne ekoya na ase ye bae njodo office say konofra ata ne ode Ghana for famu no any men's good difference be anim.
Mr. Speaker, the finance minister has spoken a lot, and like you rightly said, we have elderly people, respected people from the international community seated there. When you digest all this, what does it mean? That's the most important thing. What has the finance minister told the people of Ghana? Mr. Speaker, I sum it simple. If you evaluate what the finance minister is doing and evaluate what number 1 of Men's Gold did, the two are synonymous and the same. The funny is that there is no difference. Number 2, Mr. Speaker, if number 1 had gotten this condition, his financial instrument or financial company would have existed as we speak today. And like Adongo said, there's a principle in economics known as the transversality condition. Yes. The transversality condition states that so far as government survives, government will never default.
Abusia wa yamra swedwani o wamra swedwe fie ma de so mo ya pekusogu abaton pesu asonabo John Abdullahi Jinapo na yete ne nka no
Afeyentu fa ni anko bokomont ne so yenka bi nhwemu ne ete se bokoman no esi na aba foforo na moeso amamente me ho ase entawantawa de mu adempa na yi ni ti e wo bokoman ne mu na moeso ema Sompa santwofo ye tweben security expert ba ko wo ya de ye pa bri bia be freni bia wo bomoden agi yesu yera Richard Kumado no e do tu dwa se wo hwemu ye pa no kretro do bi wo ho no ma empanyufo no edi hunta enti ebaya yenya hwehwemu mapa hwehwemu ese na no krese na fata no yedi betu dwam obia etse ne ho ase
aban born woman de entina ne koso no kwakwa do baby edu ye no. Number 2, response aban di baye very quick, but at the blind side of it nature say in all parts of the country there was security intelligence officers were enti adena aban nya intelligence antimi stopping the koso no. Third one here the tricky side, aban krata nature say they will arrest and prosecute the new number omo ye ne sa na it will take us back to where they were say omo court my judgment still they never solved the problem. And to me, for all these years my position has been said what belongs to Caesar give it to Caesar. Yenfa traditional roots now yen dealing with the traditional aspect of Boko issue no. Other ones now it concerns criminality. Many defense minister say issues about criminality should be dealt with. Yet me yen two-way as a suggestive recommendation Boko issues no akofo. Security aban juma
Bamba ho semnim de fo yera Richard Kumado na no de sem ene ekotie ye no
abusia yemfa mo nkoguma suamu na momani tua se ye mane ye nananom nkuma no a wo ma achocho BEC exams ye wie no computer na hyase etoto wonum to senior high school sahodo a wo mbekọ akoto mo ngoma sua so na wo ma omutira anya ye computer no enya baabi ama wonum no Ghana Education Service mpenfo ya nhihye so wo mo a wo mo nkọ Ghana Education Service wo matira ya hodo a wo ye mansini mo ene ye nkura kese mu na wo mo nkọ ye kwasi broneka ne self placement no wo mo enkonko ye bi and am so me yese odo ani chesu nyane abonten so a ye GS wo mo office wo ho no je nipa agitwi akwakogu ono mu a wo mo kope school sama wo ma no enye asem ketoa na oba pani a wo no ene hwantutu ye nyina so ewo eho no madam eye Genevieve Kwatin Donko ene so perfect nsɛmtwefo di nkoma wa chechi mo enra abata na ebegu ho no no wo mo problems wo mo de baye ene kwane a wo mo efa so ebo a wonum.
Do not have self-placement issues, but there are others. One boy be able to say, okay, make us all have Ghanaian or a Filipino. Nah, or see, you did not go to girls' school. How are you, man? In fact, to be a hanum. I mean, you were just how you are, because over Nina and it's enough. I'm saying, Tina and you'll be a whole picture now. I'm sorry, but Tina don't go to school. And no one's a genuine case, and also, yeah, Ginny particular, and also a bed for wedding. Now, our genuine case, or by maintain combat school, and then I send basic school. There is another person also buy no akwality entwikrom ma menene ne buy entwikrom no senior high school be anywhere ben ho a obetimi anante akwa aba ye ka say nka day school e de wokoto ye de obetimi anante akwa aba ti the sixth choice na ye day school ne atwene am o senior school no anom ka so mo choose in fact e be aden ko betimi choose e ben ye Methodist technical but of course Methodist technical still obefa ka every entwikrom na wa buy ti say parent ni nya say sika na ka sika na o de be na ko school that day no ko school nti etimi ba sa na nkwala no bi kura na o twi no si school dem da
na wamana nso anu ache no ye ne se obesra batani ahwefo no se chinchini a me pese me ba no ko prempe college me pese okọ Opokuware me pese okọ St Louis me pese okọ schools wakese no etoda ya na nkuma ne bi wo ho no mo a wo mo ewa akade akra eche akese no ntinya chinchini a me de me pese me ba no okọ school akese nkuma ne bi susu wo ho no mo a wo mo ejino mo na so ye pa ma me Genevieve Kwatin Donko
schools no ye from mo bibi overly subscribed schools say nipa epe ho dos and am say nipa epe ho dos nsunti no exam say di kan ma results by the results na ba no enu echi ne ye replacing plan na say ye how modern money dey what to school ti am say school we nipa epe dos nsunti no omo ne di kan place omo first nti omo ne nso ye how ma mo select say schools no ya ho bi amodin mo nti me ka say no o grade e wonya ye wanya 10 so ko general science St. James say bia me slot am work for general science afiwe e nuances no so kra no bi kra raw score no e bi 500 and 559 obi dey 558.
Oba Penya wana share ngumesia so wo sunyane abonten so madam Genevieve Kwate Donko ena yetene nkano yeso ono na ye regional exams officer wo Ghana Education Service atena ya wo bonomantem mechire sunyane abonten so.
Nana tibia Ghana ban any panyufo e ka bia wo mu ehwe so mu betu ase pa emprewanyin sen enam so ema okopie mu e wa tifi mantam ni mu a emprewanyin sen cases ahodo ma record ne day eye apem ohachi ama so kura esagu akire enam so ema Sompa ntwerefo ye tweben Institute of Statistical Social and Economic Research Head of Social Division e wo honom Dr. Martin Awo ene
pregnancies among teenagers aged 15 and 19 in 2022. The same data at the regional level shows that Northeast leads at 15%, followed by Upper East at 14.2% and OT at 13.8%. The situation in these regions were the same, with just about 1% higher in 2021. Adolescent pregnancies are more common in marginalized areas and are often caused by poverty, limited employment opportunities, and lack of education.
Dr. Martha Awo Ono and Head of Social Division, our Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research. Nano see ya pepe na penny kwanchira for or the National Population Council, Dr. Letitia Apia, and Sudan Sam Kakrawe eto so.
The link between teenage pregnancy and school dropout is very alarming. Research shows a direct relationship between school dropout and pregnancy among teenagers. This is because teenagers who get pregnant are likely to drop out of school, and teenagers who drop out from school are likely to get pregnant. Teenage pregnant students will normally reevaluate their focus and educational attainment goal once they are pregnant, despite their earlier higher educational ambitions.
Letitia Apia Ono and penny kwanchira for at the National Population Council.
I was afraid you know we so na no pay and somewhere papa no de be som no yemfa munsia na yen sori ma ma hene yedu wache som na de ache bi adwumedie ene fiada a very special on tenase na inidin koma asedan koma Sompa newsroom kuku Veronica Jando na tena fidie na chichinchima fidie ndema yen akosua so mu asoso na ja voice nom ne ade okeka de si ani ma asante ebo Benedict ye be mamode ma afro soro nyina wo yifri mu ma yen ya ba bia wo bia no itibi ba ye eba besom me de ya bo amali bia boga no pa mene
akua bo achewa asempa itia
Sompa, 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 Sompa.